Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the estimation of the product of two numbers and as well as the quotient of two numbers. Quotient of the estimation of the quotient. Okay. In our previous videos we have seen about the rules for rounding of numbers as well as the estimation of addition as well as the subtraction. In this video we will be concentrating on product as well as the quotient. So let's move on to the topic. Here I have taken example 13 from next book of class 6. The question is 8,890 people are invited to a party. The caterer charges rupees 189 per person for food and rupees 23 per person for service. Help the caterer estimate the total charges. Students, please make a note. Here estimate is a keyword. For this, whenever you are seeing the word estimate, then only you have to go for the estimation process. Otherwise, if the question is help the caterer to calculate the total charges, if the question is like this, simply we have to find out the product and we have to stop there itself. But here we have they have given the word estimate, so definitely we have to find out the estimation of numbers. Okay. So this will be the keyword. If it is present in the question, then you have to find out the estimation. Otherwise, you don't want to find the estimation. So what is the question given here? There is a party. For that party, the 890 people are invited, and the caterer who is making the food, he will be charged rupees 189 for food for a single person. Rupees 189 for food as well as rupees 23 per person for service. They will be serving the food for the people. So for food a separate charge, and to serve the food there is a separate charge. The first thing we have to find out the charge for a food, that whatever both for food as well as for service, that we have to add together. What is the total price of the food, that we have to calculate at first, then only we should go for the total charges. For one person we will be finding the price, then we will find out the charge for 890 people. Okay, so look at here. So given to find, I have written. So whenever you are solving a word problem, this is a very, very important thing. Without given and to find will not be accepted. This is a basic thing because in your exams, it may be any exam, it may be your school exams or board exams or whatever it is. If you are writing given to find, you will be getting half mark or something like that. Definitely will be getting mark by writing this given and to find. This will be easy for you to understand the question properly. So please just do this whenever you are solving a word problem. Okay. So here we have written number of people and the service charge per person, that also we have written. This is given in the question, and whatever we are going to find, that will be written under the heading to find. So first we are going to calculate the total charge for the food, that is charge for food and charge for service. Both we have to add, and we will be getting this number by adding 189 plus 23. We will be getting the sum of charge, that is food plus service. That charge we got. Then we find out the estimation, sum of estimation. Whatever we find here, for this estimation we find out. Okay. So the sum of estimation is, we have to round off to the highest place value. Which is the highest place value here? Hundreds. So near hundreds, what is the number present? 1. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what we will do? We will not change the round off value. Simply we will write it, and the remaining digits will be changed to 0. So that is what we have written here. Then now we are found out estimated number of people. We know the number of people is 890, and for that 890 we are finding the estimation. So 890 we have to round off, means we will be rounding off to the hundreds place value, right? So near hundreds place value, what is the number given here? 9. So if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, what we will do? We will be adding 1 to the round off value, and then we will change the remaining digits to 0. So 8 plus 1, 9, 900. Okay, this is the estimated number of people. Now for one person, we find out that 212 rupees. Then for 900 people, what will be the charge? Okay, so this both we have to multiply. So estimated charge for 900 people, 200 into 900. If it is 0 0 like this, we can multiply the number and we can write the given zeros. So 9 2s are 18. How many zeros are here? 2 0. How many zeros are here? 2 0. Totally 4 zeros that we have to add with the number. So this will be the answer. Total estimated charge will be 1,80,000. Okay. In this way you have to solve the problem. Whenever you are doing word problem by estimation, first not only word problem, it may be any process. It may be addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division. First you have to estimate, after that only you have to do that process. Okay, after this if you are doing it will take time. So first you do the estimation, then you do the calculation. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Estimation of quotient of two numbers. Example 14 is a biscuit factory receives an order for 32,768 packets of biscuits. The factory needs to pack 32 packets in one carton. Carton in the sense it is that box. In that one cardboard box, there will be, in that box only they will be placing the biscuits, right? They will arrange that biscuit packets in the box and they will be delivered to the shops. Like that only they will be packed. So that is called carton. Okay, so estimate the number of cartons needed. So there is a biscuit factory. They received an order for 32,768 packets. Okay, so the factory decided to pack 32 packets in one box. So in one box 32 packets can be filled. So in how many box 32,768 packets will be filled? That is the question. So what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay, so for that given and to find we have written. Then we have to find out the estimated total number of packets. They have given the total number of packets, right? So we need to find the estimation of the total number of packets. So we have to round off to the highest place value. So highest place value is 10,000 here. In this number 10,000 is the highest place value. So near that 10,000, so what is the number given here? 2. So if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no need to change anything. Simply we can write the rounded off value and then remaining thing will be 0. So it will be written as 30,000. And estimated number of packets in a carton, that is 32. So what will be the estimated value? We have to round off to the highest value. The highest value is tens. So near tens, what is the number given here? 2. So there will be no problem. Simply you can write as a 30. Now estimated number of cartons needed, that is 30,000 divided by 30. So 10 10 will be cancelled. 313 is 3. So it will be 1000. So 1000 cartons are required to pack 32,768 packets of biscuits. So this is the way you have to solve this question. So let us move on to the next question. The next question is example 12 in your book. In an election, two candidates A and B contested. A got 4,67,905 votes and B got 3,87,897 votes. Who won the election? Find the estimated number of votes that A got more than B. First we will see the first question. Who won the election? By seeing the numbers itself we can get to know that A won the election, because anyhow we have to write it in a proper way, right? So given to find we have written, and we will be writing the two numbers, whatever number of votes A got and whatever number of votes B got. How will you compare? First we will be counting the number of digits. Both the number of digits are same. 6 digits are here as well as 6 digits are here. So if the number of digits are same, simply you can compare. Here it is 4, here it is 3. So which will be the highest number? 4. So this is the votes got by A. So who won the election? A won the election. Now what is the second question? Find the estimated number of votes that A got more than B. The question is, A won the election. By how many votes he won the election? That is the question. So we have to find out the difference. Now we know that votes of A and votes of B. For these two values, we have to find out the estimation. So for finding the estimated votes of A, we have to round up to the highest value. Highest place value is lakh. So what is near to this number? 6. If it is more than 4, we have to add 1 to the rounded off value, and then remaining values will be 0. So 4 plus 1, it will be 5 lakhs. Then estimated value of B. Here also we have to we have to round off to the lakh place. So near 3, what is here? 8. So if it is more than 4, we have to add 1 to the rounded off value, and then the remaining things will be 0. So 3 plus 1, it will be 4 lakhs. Okay. So we are going to find out the difference. Okay. This operation symbol is mandated. Okay. So 5 minus 4, it will be 1 lakh. So A won the election by 1 lakh votes. In this way, you have to solve this problem. Okay. So I hope you all I hope you all get the knowledge on this 3 problems. If you can't understand, kindly go through this video again and again. By seeing more than once, you will be getting a clear knowledge on this. Thanks for watching.